Before we proceed, please note that this video is made by AI, but all the content is manually researched by our team, and it's not AI generated. Ever found yourself facing the project winner error code F4FD8ECBFE932CDE? This error pops up when a player attempts to launch the game. The game teases you with a moment of loading before it throws this error in your face. The message it delivers is, "Cannot connect to the server. Please check your network connection and try again. Client timeout." According to our research, this issue typically originates from the server side of the game, or possibly from temporary issues with your device or network. But fear not, we have some steps you can take to remedy this situation. Firstly, power down your gaming device along with your internet and let them rest for a solid 10 minutes. During this downtime, disconnect them from the power source. After the 10 minutes are up, restart your device and check to see if the error persists. If the error code is still making an appearance after your power cycle, it's time to check for game updates. If there's a pending update waiting in the wings, install it, and then test your game again. Still no luck? Try connecting over a different network. This will help determine if the issue is network related. If the different network solves the problem, you'll need to troubleshoot your original network. And if, after all these steps, the error code is stubbornly sticking around, it's likely the game servers are down. In this case, we recommend waiting a couple of hours before trying again. Unfortunately, there's no dedicated page to check the server status of the game, but you can head over to their official Discord channel to see if there's any news about server outages or maintenance. So, to summarize, power cycle your devices, check for game updates, try a different network, or wait it out in case the servers are down. If you like this information, don't forget to subscribe. It will be a great support. And for more tech updates, visit queries.com.